It's been a long while since you guys have seen the Chevy 2. We got an update on the wagon not too long ago, so today we're checking out what's been done to this beast. What's up, dudes? We're at Brent's right now, so you guys got to see the wagon, a little update and what's been happening to that. So figured we'd come by here, check out maybe the Malibu and the Chevy 2 that's in the garage. Right now he's doing up a set of gears on there, so I think he was doing setting backlash and stuff like that and tolerances, and let's see if we can figure out what he's doing. Speak loud and clear. What are you doing here?
I want you to turn the camera off.
Nah. Focus?
No, not focus. You should, like, you try to come and film this side when I'm struggling to get it lined up. This side,
We'll be right back.
between 9 and 11.
9 and 11 what? Inches?
Thousandths of an inch, the backlash. And I just set it the way it was set, so.
What's, like?
Well, like John Marks needed to be 8 when I did it, and 10 I've heard of.
Okay.
So each gear has its own.
So it's in the spec?
Yeah. Well, I hope so. We're gonna find out, or else it's gonna end up like that. That's what happens when you lose bolts. Anyway, that's ready to paint. Back in the day when you did everything in your driveway, this is like an
yeah.
You use a workbench, you set it up now, right
Supposed to lick your finger first and then.
It's like all the shit I have on my fingers right now. It's probably not a good idea to lick. So, the other day when I drove that Jeep, you fell in love with it. I fell in love with driving standard again.
Oh, keys are in the car. Go for it. That's a fun little standard.
Yeah, I bet. Did you stall it at all?
Right now, you can buy a brand new GMC Acadia or Terrain at employee price and still take advantage of the rebates on the vehicle. With almost 400 new cars and trucks in stock, you'll find the vehicle you love. Or that perfect family SUV.
Mark the wipe it before. For a video, I always shit on him. I should be nicer to that guy. Clean my whole garage today.
I want to start because I'm having shepherd pie.
Shepherd's pie?
Meat pie.
That's awesome, man.
Just give me like 1 minute, Parker, and we'll chuck it in the microwave. You have a microwave, right?
Yeah, I do.
Shit.
It's even clean. Well,
1 minute. 1 minute, we'll go in.
a single man clean.
Fish food, Mom.
Actually looks scrawny with that cover.
12 volt, big nasty ass differential with a spool in it. As you can see from the clips, totally rebuilt, totally redone, spaced, shimmed out, everything, and it's looking good. Check out what's been done to the car. Now, last time you guys saw this thing, we were getting ready. I think it was for the Wild Card car show, which was almost exactly a year from right now. So it's been a while. As you can see, he's been busy cleaning it up. He's done a lot of body work. If you check our other videos, we have stuff about this car and when we first got it and stuff. You could really see the body on it in those other videos. And I think here there was like a big hole here too. And then fixed all this part because there was huge gaps in that and it wasn't looking too cool. Here, the window frame, check it out. It's got a Lexan window in it. Ooh, some cool stuff. Let me see if I can find a light because there's some new parts underneath it too. Ooh, underneath. A bunch of new control arms, all Moog. New tie rods, tie rod ends. Steering wheel, that's a strut, McPherson strut or whatever. And let's check out the other side.
Oh, no, look at that side.
Oh, no, that's all the old parts. Okay.
Well, actually, that's what this side looked like. Because I just did the ball joints, tie rod ends, and then...
You guys getting that? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
And this is the good side. Look at that red tint that's on there. That's awesome.
Basically, yeah, sanded it down. Kept the bottom ones to keep the money, the budget.
So that's the original struts that were on the bottom? Or what,
Well, yeah,
what do you call that? That's
Well,
Table?
control arm table. But yeah, no, I changed the bushings, all the bushings there, and ball joints. This is custom, so I just something
yeah,
to
that,
stabilize.
I was,
I
I was looking at that before. We're gonna maybe have to do something about that.
Well, it's still got to be painted, and that's why we got to get this thing to your place so we can put the motor in and then set everything and shoot it when Jean-Marc shoots the car. But yeah, it's showing some much needed love.
Yup. Onto the interior.
Oh, the interior, now we're doing this.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a bunch of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Gallon of house paint.
It's a Bondo. I only used a quarter of it on this car, not 3/4. No, I mean, I don't know if you remember the roof liner that was all falling down. And so took all that down and then sanded all the inside ready to add some fresh paint.
So all the aluminum was cleaned up, nice and polished. It's kind of hard to see it back here, but wow, there we go.
Yeah, I don't know if you had footage of it before when it was kind of all corroded and nasty.
Yeah, not much, I don't think. Well, probably if you look through the videos. Ooh, look at all that shiny aluminum. Now, folks, he said it was cleaner before, but it looks pretty good. Oh. Oh, just hit my head on the pipe.
It's funny, 'cause that's like the first sticker that I put.
Yeah.
Or anything. Yeah, so I'll take the windows, paint just the back side. Probably the front looks pretty good.
Hey?
No,
Oh,
like just the, I guess what.
oh, the back inside here?
Colors there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, cleaned all of them, sanded them.
What color are you going to paint the inside?
Black.
Black, yeah.
Yeah, I want to die when I'm sitting in the staging room.
Yeah, but you guys don't have a rule about that? Like you have to paint a certain color so that you can see what's going on and stuff? Or because there was something about building a cage for like a drift car and the rules that you had to have it a light color so that when it got inspected they could see if it was cracked.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. Roll the dice.
That'll be the first problem.
It's gonna look cool
You
black
show
anyway.
Up, like all excited to be filming, and then they'll be like, "No, you can't run. You need to paint your own cage paint." I mean, frick. I mean, beep.
We just gotta find some of those fake inspection stickers.
Everyone knows a guy. I just don't know him.
here's an interesting fact for you. All these cars on the wall, all these pictures, not just pictures of cool cars, not just pictures of Brent's cars. These are up there for a reason. If you guys didn't know, Brent's dad was a crew chief for many drag teams. And that's, needless to say, where I think Brent probably got his addiction for drag racing from. Every photo up on this wall has some sort of significance.
Bye.
What?
We're leaving now.
Leaving. Peace out.
Peace out.